Hello, this is Chad Lilly from the Safety Coach Academy. We put a series of safety moments together to help people start thinking of safety slightly differently. So today's one is the need for change. So as you can see, over the 4 ages of safety over the last 100 odd years, we've gone through 3 different eras. We've gone from the engineering era, which was really from the 1900s to about the 1920s. Then we went through the management era, which was from the 1920s right the way through to the 1970s. Then we've gone through the systems and processes era, which really came about in the early 70s with the Health and Safety at Work Act. And as you can see over the years, the accident rate has fallen dramatically, and each era served a really great purpose in that. However, at the moment, after the systems and process, we still have a gap. And people seem to be nowadays not sure what to do with the gap, and people understand it's there, and they have a frustration because they can't get beyond it. And one thing most people don't realise is what they actually really need to do is to start thinking differently. Now, one of the reasons here is we're trying to close the gap that exists from the systems and process era to the next one by introducing more systems and processes. And this is born about through frustration. It's really born around through not knowing what to do next. So we're doing more and more of what we always used to do. And what we always used to do has taken us as far as it can. So we need to start thinking of things differently. We need to start introducing new ideas, the human side of safety, how we actually engage with people and deal with people on a day-to-day basis. Now, one of the biggest stumbling blocks holding us back is that there's 2 main drivers for human beings. And those 2 main drivers are pain and pleasure. Everything we do in life is about either avoiding pain or gaining pleasure. Now, we all know how we want the workplace to look and the pleasure it can give us by everyone working in unison, and we also know the pain we want to avoid. The downside is what happens is we'll do more to avoid the pain than what we will to gain the pleasure, which is what's keeping us in the rut of having to introduce more systems and processes, go and do more audits, more paperwork, more risk assessments, more of everything that's only taken us as far as it can, instead of actually dealing with the pleasure of where we can actually get to by altering our train of thought. So if we want our guys to take safety seriously, then firstly, you need to take it serious. If you like the messages we're sharing on here, please follow us on the following channels and share us, or if you want further information, give us a call. Thank you.